Alright, this is part 2 of the top Lineage baseball 2011 break hobby box. And we got 12 packs left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just we got this pack at the end. Alright, here we go. And here's the empty box. Here we go. Alright, we got Morgan for the Reds. Alomar for the Toronto Blue Jays. Price for the Tampa Bay Rays. Zimmerman for the Washington Nationals. Mini Johnny Bench for the Reds. Joe Morgan for the Houston Astros. There you go. Tom Seaver for the Mets. Austin Jackson for the Detroit Tigers. Billy Butler for the Royals. Jimenez for the Rockies. David Wright for the Mets. Roy Halladay for the Phillies. Shiny card. Candina for the Seattle Mariners. Chapman for the Reds. Tim Nicholson for the Giants. Joe Morgan for the Joe Moore for the Twins. Gonzalez for the Rockies. Whiskey for the Rockies. Pence for the Astros. Hayward for the Braves. Halladay for the Phillies. Creel for the Reds. Billingsley for the Dodgers. Weaver for the Angels. Johnson for the Marlins. Sandy Koufax for the Brooklyn Dodgers. Justin Maru for the Twins. John Lester for the Red Sox. Oscar Lyon for the Detroit Tigers. The Diamond Anniversary. Batista for the Toronto Blue Jays. Bird for the Cubs. Johnny Bench for the Reds. And another checklist. Bruce for the Reds. Nolan Ryan for the Rangers. A Mini Cabrera for Detroit Tigers. And got a Brad Close jersey. Mini for the Boston Red Sox. CC Sabathia for the Indians. David DeJesus for the Oakland Athletics. Richie Weeks for the Brewers. Eddie Murray for the Orioles. Bumgarner for the Giants. Chris Sale Shining for a Diamond Anniversary for the White Sox. Mike Stanton, pop-up card for the Florida Marlins. Lee for the Phillies. Dan Heron for the Angels. Zach Greinke for the Brewers. Johnny Mize for the Giants. Or for the, for the Giants. For the Giants. Vladimir Guerrero for the Orioles. Henry Ramirez for the Marlins. And here's another card for the Detroit Tigers. It feels like cloth, but I don't know. But back up feels like paper. Ty Cobb for the Detroit Tigers.
Man, that's a sweet piece.
I can't pronounce this guy's name, but he's for the Seattle Mariners. Alvarez for the Pirates. Hank Aaron for the Braves. Belty for the Braves. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more packs. That's just the bigger card. Alright. George Sizzler for the St. Louis Browns. So this goes to the Cardinals. Jim Palmer, Baltimore Orioles. Jimmy Fox, Philadelphia Athletics. So this goes to Philadelphia. The Phillies. It goes to the Phillies. Freeman for the Braves. Diamond anniversary. I can't pronounce this guy's name, but he played for the Twins. Phil Hughes for the Yankees. Frank Thomas for the White Sox. And Andrew Johnson for Montreal Expos. But I believe this goes to Washington here. I believe. If not, you can let me know. Did the Expos move down? Where did the Expos go? I talked to my buddy out here. I'll figure it out. Matt Kent, Dodgers. John Smokes, Braves. South Carolina, Detroit Tigers. Michael Gunn, Texas Rangers, Mini. As Sembrano for the Cubs. Ozzie Smith for the Cardinals. Carlos Lee for the Astros. Mark Teixeira for the Yankees. Ramirez for the White Sox. Beltry for the Texas Rangers. Soriano for the Cubs. David Ortiz for the Red Sox. Crusoe, Diamond Anniversary for the Reds. Hunter for the Angels. Matos for the Padres. Chris Filler for the Brewers. 2 packs left. Plus that oversized card. Here we go. Babe Ruth for the Yankees.
Oh.
Lorenzo for the Twins. Lorenzo. Garrison for the Yankees. This looks like another card that moves. Twaski for the Rockies. It moves. Hart for the Brewers. Albert Pujols for the Cardinals. Garcia for the Cardinals. Pedrerio for the Red Sox. Last pack, well, the regular pack. Chase Utley for the Phillies. Victor Martinez for the Tigers. Duke Snyder for the Dodgers. Carlos Santana for the Indians. Diamond Anniversary Ramirez for the White Sox. Ichiro for the Mariners. And Gallardo for the Brewers. I can't say his name right either. And McGee for the Tampa Bay Rays. And here we go with the oversized card. And we have a Joe Moore for the Minnesota Twins. And that's the break on that. You can leave feedback on eBay. And I'm planning on doing some more breaks, but I'll probably have to do them like just send me emails or something because I'm problems with eBay and websites and all this other stuff. I don't know what really the problem is, but I'll probably be doing some breaks later on, so just leave feedback when you can on eBay. But I won't be doing it on eBay. They'll probably just be, I'll probably just ask you guys what you want to break next and go that way with it. Alright, thanks for being in the break.